This is getting bad.
You all look so worried.
Is there something we need to know?
Do you hear that creepy sound? It came from furious enemy. That creature is not a normal enemy.
Is it after us?
I'm not sure, Kaja. All I know is we cannot beat that enemy easily.
Don't let your guard down.
It is coming near to us.
What should we do? There are so many of them. Their number grows so fast since the last time we fought them. Let's go, guys!
Are you okay, zombie? Can you still fight?
I didn't saw that coming.
Let's do it together.
It's our turn now, Creeper.
Time to sleep now.
I need to be prepared, so I can heal them quick if they need me.
We are all exhausted now.
But we still have one more to defeat. That Siren Head boss is not an easy opponent.
It's huge than I expected.
If only they are here, we can manage to defeat that.
Where did it came from? Enderman! Yes! Let's attack now while he's not fully recovered! That's enough to take him down! Leave that to us, guys. We are so glad that you are here with us now! What happened to you after we were attacked by the Dreadlords?
That doesn't matter now, zombie. The important thing is now we are all complete.
But Skeleton is still missing! Don't worry, Creeper. He will arrive when we need him.
We need to go to the base of the Dreadlords. But before that, you need to recover so that we are prepared to fight.
Let me heal you first.
My name is Kaja.
And I am Leslie. Nice to meet you.
They are our friend and willing to help.
We need to go now.
I think we can rest in this place for a while. Come with me so we can get some woods.
Can you go with me, Enderman? We will get some fruits for everyone.
Can you help me, Gast?
We can eat now, guys.
How are you guys doing?
It's been a long time since the last time we saw you all.
We are doing great. We have gone through many trials, but we have overcome them all together.
It's good to hear that.
Does anyone know where's our teacher?
Let's sleep now. We need to rest before going to our enemy base tomorrow.
We must end this now.
I'm glad that you are here now.